What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Brian Armstrong came out and obviously has said, like, we want clear regulation. And now he's coming out and he would want to put a vision out there for people to sort of see what that regulation could be. Put out maybe a timeline, maybe even put out sort of a outline of what it could be. And as you guys know, he did do this interview with the Wall Street Journal. You can actually tap into this interview if you want to. It's on YouTube. You can tap into it and actually see it. And it says, Armstrong's aspiration does not entail discarding the existing system. Instead, it's involving calculating some aspects from traditional financial sector. So he doesn't want to actually change everything. He just wants to make it better. He says he wants to emphasize clarity and protection in the new framework. And that's one of the big things here. He wants to make regulatory clarity, setting boundaries. So Armstrong proposes putting heavy emphasis on regulatory boundaries. Rules governing cryptocurrency market must be carved out by Securities and Exchange Commission and the Commodity Trading Commission, which is the CFTC. This could be the first step in establishing Armstrong's ideal regulatory structure, and it's a clear, coherent boundary and a paramount on the envision's future. It says instituting robust protections. This is really big, I think. This is obviously for the whole KYC. It says Armstrong underlines the need for stringent protection in the form of anti-money laundering and KYC and policies. We obviously saw this a lot with Binance. That was what they came back and said, that there was some things with their KYC. Remember, the Binance.us allowed loopholes to go into Binance, supposedly by what the SEC said. We had Tornado Cash, which obviously got knocked down a few notches, actually got taken out of everything that you could do here in the United States. You can't even use Tornado Cash anymore for the money laundering. But it says besides this, they want to audit the financial statements and safeguard against wash trading would be one of the big things here. And that's one of the probably the craziest things we've seen is the amount of wash trading that goes on in cryptocurrency. I mean, a lot of the volumes that you see here are due to wash trading. You know, when it came to just Pepe, right? Pepe and all these other cryptocurrencies that have come out here, the reason why their volumes are the way that they are is due to wash trading. You know, the price could be down 10%, but they were doing, $250 million in trade volume. Like, it makes no sense, right? So that's a big thing, I think, too, is protecting people so that there's no manipulation on the charts. It says here also they want to do a stability in crypto. And it says the case of stablecoins, Armstrong draws attention to the need for more clarity around stablecoins, a significant growth area within the cryptocurrency market. Stablecoins need a clear regulated guideline. I think that's true. Obviously, we saw that with Luna Classic and USTC. There needs to be some guidelines for what is a stablecoin and how it works. It says specifically the issue of coin insurance and the immediate need for attention. And I think that's true too, because you need some insurance to back up your fiat, right? I mean, if you have a stable coin out there and let's just say it depegs, there should be some kind of insurance with that. So conclusion is Armstrong's vision for a radically different regulatory framework might be the change we need. His proposed framework could potentially reinvent the cryptocurrency landscape by incorporating existing best practices and fostering innovation. And I think that we need something like that. And that's sort of what Congress has done. They put out this bill to make this a better place for regulation inside cryptocurrency. And I couldn't agree more. I think this is the best thing to do. I honestly think this is the next step forward, is to create some kind of framework to make it better for the whole entire cryptocurrency market. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Put down below what you guys think it should be. Again, I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And with all that said, we're out. Peace out, everyone.